All right, let's go. First, home row 5 to get our English flag. Then, I don't know, zoom a little bit. Then after that, we're going to go up, up, down, down, left, right, and then A. Look at that, it's all white. Oh my god, what's going on? Up, down, down, left, right. B. Look at that. Okay, let's look at the code. This is a monkey wrench macro. We are going to use this function to do the filling. And inside of the Konami function, that's listening for the Konami key combo, once we've pressed the Konami key, we're going to press a letter, A through Z, to get a procedure. And if the procedure is filling with ones, we are going to fill all 9 level packs with all binary ones. So these are the cell positions of the level packs, and we're going to fill with binary ones. If it is the dumb 0 procedure here, then we're going to do the opposite. We're going to take all of the coordinates for the level packs, and we're going to fill it with zeros. So we're done here. Also, we marked the end of the Konami function because it was getting kind of long. Here's what we did previously, and here's what we did in this video. We will try to fix the problems that Konami has elucidated for us in further videos. You've been on this playlist. If you want more information, you can go to this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 186. Like and subscribe.